Here it is, a brand new package from Rabbit Auto Care. A complete lineup of premium automotive care products, all set to elevate your detailing experience.
Let's unbox and see what Rabbit Auto Care has sent us. Every product is securely packed, ensuring it reaches you in perfect condition. One by one, we are taking everything out, each item designed with quality, performance, and detailing precision in mind. Rabbit Auto Care is known for delivering reliable and effective automotive care solutions, and this package is no exception. From exterior to interior care, everything you need seems to be right here. Let's keep going and explore what's inside.
Here they are, laid out together, the complete set from Rabbit Auto Care. Let's take a closer look at each product. Every bottle and accessory is crafted with attention to detail, clearly labeled, and made for an effortless care routine. Whether it's cleaning, shining, or protecting your vehicle, Rabbit Auto Care has a specialized solution for every need. We'll be bringing you detailed short videos on each of these products, showing how to use them and what results you can expect. This is just the beginning. Rabbit Auto Care has so much more to offer.
So stay tuned for more exciting products and reviews from Rabbit Auto Care, right here on Moto World.